Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. If you are new to my channel, my name is Teresa. Before we go on a tour of my home, I'm going to give y'all a few tips and tricks that I use in my home. And especially if you live in a smaller home, a lot of times I have to utilize the corners of my rooms. And a lot of times those corners, they make great places that you can put an accent chair. I just got an old distressed shutter, leaned up against the wall, I added a wreath. But just a great way, if you've got a small room, access those corners. Another thing that you can do to add a really cozy factor to your rooms is add some really pretty seasonal pillows. The fall, I had those pumpkin ones. I just replaced them with a little teddy bear. A lot of times you can pick up little teddy bears at the thrift store. I picked this one up. I got him for $2. All I did was I removed his little go jacket. I tied a really pretty ribbon around his neck and I just set him out in the accent chair. Just another little cozy element. While I was working on this video, I scored another teddy bear at Salvation Army. He was $3. I brought him home, I put him in the washing machine, I dried him. I got some of this fabric that I get at Walmart. You can get a roll of it for $2 or $3. I just cut a strip and tied a little bow around his neck. So just another little teddy bear idea for your accent chairs, and just set these around for that cozy feeling through the winter and the Christmas season.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out.
Another great detail you can add to your spaces is architectural elements. Now this is a deconstructed chandelier, and this was kind of a decorating mishap. I had this hanging up, so I took it down to put my Christmas tree in that area, and when I took it down, I just leaned it up against this chair along the wall just to, get it out of my way. But once I had it leaned up against that chair, I kind of liked it like that, so I left it. So just giving you some more ideas of inspiration of how you can think out of the box and decorate your home. Before I show y'all some more decor ideas, I'm going to tell y'all about today's sponsor. The sponsor of today's video is Molblly. They produce some really great quality mattresses, pillows, and bedding. So I'm going to introduce y'all to them. I'm going to show y'all the bedding that I received. I'm going to show you the mattress that we got, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this delivered straight to your door and set it up. The guest room over at our condo is the one room that doesn't have any furniture in it. So I'm going to show y'all how easy it is to get this bed set up. Everything we needed to assemble the bed was in the back of the headboard. All you do is unzip it, and all the components and hardware is there. They give you all the tools you need, so you do not need any extra tools. You just zip it back up, and now we are ready to put together the bed. They give you a really nice little tool kit with all the screws, and they even give you some extras. Some of the things that I loved about this bed, not only was the easy assembly and getting delivered straight to my door, but it comes within days when you order it, and then they also offer free shipping. And y'all, I cannot wait to try this bed out, because who doesn't love a good night's sleep? I don't think I've ever heard anybody say, I hope I don't sleep good tonight. We all strive. I pray every day to get a good night's sleep. That is just how much I love my good sleep. But this bed, like I say, we got a full size because this is going in a guest room. And I was reading and doing some research, and they usually said a full size bed would fit in a guest room, preferably, but it also depends on the size of your room. Our room is not that large, so I went with the full size. The mattress that I received was the medium firm gel memory foam mattress. Now I got the 12-inch, but they also have a 10-inch and a 14-inch. But you just roll it out, put it on your bed, and let it expand. They prefer 72 hours, but you can sleep on this 6 hours after you assemble it. Once the mattress now is expanded, I'm going to put some new sheets I just ordered for it, and I've also got some new bedding coming. I will have how I decorate the bed over on my other channel, Teresa Greene. So be looking for that video soon, because I can't wait to get this guest room decorated. But make sure to check out Molblly mattresses and use my code that I'm going to have linked down below because they're offering my viewers $30 off a $250 purchase. Now I'm going to give you some ideas and some tips for garland. Don't hesitate to get your garland and think out of the box on it. Drape it out of a basket. I did this in my bedroom along my dresser. I put some lights in it, lit it up, and I even draped it down the side to the floor. Now I have this little sled I got at a yard sale a few years ago, and I paid $5 for it. I just added some pine cones and I just cascaded some more of that white garland down the side of the little sled. Another cozy detail you can add to your home is some lighting. And lighting a lot of times can be very budget friendly because you can get LED candles, you can get battery operated, you can get string lights, you can get twinkle lights, and a lot of them actually come with remote controls. But I'm going to add some to my entertainment center. I'm showing you the garland without lights, but I went to Walmart and I picked up a box of some lights. They were only $3, and these are 100 count. So for $3, I got a beautiful set of lights, added it to the garland, and I think it makes such a huge difference to my entertainment center. Another thing that I do to go simple and less stress is I do not decorate my tree. My tree is beautiful as it is, so I leave it naked, and I've done this ever since I've had this tree, and I think this is its 3rd year. But if you have a really pretty tree and it's got a lot of really pretty lights on it, if you don't want to decorate it, you don't have to. I think sometimes my motto is less is more. But I think the tree is gorgeous the way it is, but I am going to show y'all a quick DIY in today's video of how you can add a little bit of embellishment to it that will be easy and quick, but it will also add a really elegant touch to it. Now I want to show you a quick and easy way to add some really pretty elegant detail to your Christmas tree. Just take a piece of ribbon. You can use assorted widths and sizes. Get out your favorite stencil and take the ones that fit your ribbon the best, and with whatever color paint you have, I did black, but I think gold would also be beautiful, and just stencil away. Now you can make these ribbons as long or as short as you want. You can also use unwired ribbon or wired ribbon. So many possibilities with this little decorating idea, and this is such a simple and easy project, but it adds so much elegance to your Christmas tree. Now I'm going to share with y'all my family room and how I decorated it for Christmas. Like I told y'all, I went very simple this year, and I went with a lot of whites and a lot of neutrals. A lot of my older decor that I had, I donated it or gave it to my daughter. A lot of it was really messy. It had a lot of that flocking on it. That is absolutely beautiful, but to me it just made such a mess, and I felt like I was always cleaning my floors, so that was stressful to me. And also all these pieces, they're so white and neutral that I feel like after Christmas I can leave these out throughout the winter months, if I want to, because I feel like they'll be appropriate.
Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah.
Now I want to show y'all one of my favorite wreaths to make, and it is so simple and so affordable. You'll need a feather boa, you'll need a pool noodle, and you'll need some duct tape. I've done several videos on how to make these, but they're very easy. Just cut your pool noodle down to size. One boa will cover a smaller pool noodle. If you want to cover the whole pool noodle, you'll probably need 2 boas. I'm just going to use one today. Now I have these boas linked to my Amazon store, but you can also pick them up at Hobby Lobby. Once you get your pool noodle trimmed down to size, you just want to bring your ends together and secure it really good with some duct tape. Then we're using some straight pins. You want to pin the start of your boa into the pool noodle and also do it at the end. And it's that easy. Just go around it, shape it, make sure your boa is covering all the pool noodle and you don't have any of it showing. And now you've got a beautiful wreath that cost us probably less than $5. And I had to throw this in, y'all. The morning I was filming this and I made this wreath, I laid it down, I went downstairs, and when I come back up, little Mater had made him a bed inside of the wreath. So I just had to snap some pictures of him, and of course, whenever he knows his picture's being taken, he's gonna pose. But I knew y'all would enjoy seeing him, so here he is enjoying the feather boa wreath. Another decorating tip I want to give you is if you're trying to go simple this year like I am, and also if you have, minimal storage space, cone trees. Because when you go to put these up and pack them away, they can stack right inside of each other. I've got several videos on how you can make cone trees, very inexpensive, or of course you can purchase these at just about any of the decor stores, but they're so easy to make yourself. And like I say, I've got some videos of how you can make them, and you can make them out of just about anything. You can make them out of fabric, fur, yarn, but just another easy DIY decorating tip. And like I say, when you go to store them, they are very easy to store and just stack them, and they take up minimal space. Now I'm going to show y'all how I decorated my bedroom so far for Christmas in the winter season. A lot of this decor can be kept out even after Christmas is over. I just added string lights to my dresser, and also I've got some string lights and a garland on my headboard. But I went all neutral again in this room, and all my bedding is in my Amazon store. So make sure to go out and check out my Amazon store, because I have a ton of home decor listed in it that I feel like you will absolutely love, and it just makes beautiful pieces for your home. So I'm going to make sure to leave a link to my Amazon store down below. But just giving y'all an overall look of how I decorated with some simple touches in my bedroom. This was very stress-free, very simple. It didn't take me a long time to decorate. Just added a few little touches here and there.
Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close close to you. Hey. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
I hope y'all enjoyed seeing some of the spaces that I decorated in my home for Christmas this year. I hope you got lots of ideas and inspiration and maybe try some things in your home for the Christmas and the winter season. Make sure to like the video, give it a thumbs up if you did, make sure to leave me a comment below, and always make sure to hit that red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so we can stay connected. I want to give another huge thank you to Molblly. Make sure to go out and check out their website. Click on the link and make sure to take advantage of my discount code to receive $30 off a $250 purchase. If you want to see more of my home for Christmas, make sure to check out my last week's video, and I'm going to link it at the end of this one, also in the description box, so you can see my gathering room. Also, make sure to check out my new channel, Teresa Greene. I got a new video loaded over there. As always, y'all, I love y'all. I'll miss y'all, but I'll see you again soon. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.